PC issues this morning, guys. PC issues. I'm gonna do 2 contracts because I'm kind of rushed. Okay, pretty weak open. See, we have continuation. Yeah, I messed up. But you see the TPT lag? Fuck, so bad. Yeah, I kind of... The PC took almost 15 minutes to turn on. Kind of rushed it. And I have so many accounts that are just flip away from payouts. I had to kind of look at that. Still might take it, though. Still might have a chance. Especially a long. A long would be nice. Short, I don't know. I trust. See, like it. So choppy to the short side. Yeah, I'm going to skip the short. Sorry, guys. PC was just fucked up. I could not get it turned on. Said there was a problem with it this morning. I woke up and I tried to, properly restart it. It took way too long, so I just freaking hard rebooted it at 9:25. Didn't get it back in time, and I have these are my Apex accounts that I had to decide. One more flip day, make some money. 2 more flips, make some money. Do I want to just take that $19,000 or do I want to go for the 24, 25,000? Easy ORB today. I just couldn't get it back in time. So hopefully some of you guys got it, but nothing lost. Well, we might have to sit today out. When I have PC issues, I just can't seem to mentally recover. Because now what? Gonna risk anything? I'm not gonna risk anything, right? I'm not gonna risk blowing up an account for no reason. Any trade you take is a chance. So, just gonna flip it today and trade some TPT evals. It's all good. Why no RBPC issues? My computer was broken this morning. Got it turned on at 9:28. So, didn't get it set up in time, unfortunately. I was rushing. I could have taken it. I was just ready, but I hesitated, and it's all good. Not worried one bit. Guys, we're already at $50,000 in the month. It's the most insane. If I take the ORB one more time, it's a $50,000 month, and it's only halfway. It is absolutely insane how it's compounding now. Could be a record month. Not record month, but second best month. He says, "Good morning, Grassman." That's part of the reason why I didn't get the computer turned on in time, because instead of checking on my computer, I actually went to check on my grass, and I bought these like sprinkler cups to measure how much water my sprinklers are putting out. So I wanted to check them this morning because I just placed them last night. And I got to my desk at like 9:10, 9:12. And it said the computer had an issue. Had to restart. So I tried to restart it manually. And then it was doing that whole thing. And at 9:24, I said, nope, it's not going to turn on. So I just turned it off from the, I held the power button and then turned it off, unplugged it, plugged it back in, and it worked. But unfortunately, it costed us an easy ORB, but it is what it is. I did see it. I could have taken it, so I can't fully blame that. Little hesitation just because I was rushing and everything. 29.20. 29,220 is a beautiful level. Just scrambling this morning. I don't think I'm going to trade, guys. I don't know. Once I scramble in the morning, it's almost like losing on the ORB. It's just, the day is ruined as far as trading goes. Got to just focus on something else. So just going to trade evals. See how we do on those TPT evals. That's Lucid. We don't want that. What a rip yesterday in the afternoon. I got $600 on my. I'm gonna take that. See if it holds. Nope. First time it held, but not the second time. I think it's gonna break 200, but I don't know, 5 contracts is just tough. Like, it goes against you so fast. I'm gonna have to figure out a strategy for the TPT accounts once I get them funded. This can't be blowing the account one trade. That's for sure. Let's just take a day. I should just take the day off. I'm gonna be tempted to trade my Apex accounts, and it's not gonna be pretty if I do. My 80-20 edge is kind of disappearing this week. Once the market's starting to go down, it's been basically a losing strat for me. I'm in 2 accounts. One is in at 80. Hopefully, can get that before it goes lower. He's got one of them. Only 2,000, but that's not bad. We'll take that. Can we get this one to pop? Yeah, Bullnox pays on Wednesdays. Tuesday nights. Bullnox is never late with payouts. I love it. Definitely gonna get more Bullnox accounts soon. I need them. Unfortunate. Can't get that bounce. Still holding on. I feel like I should sell a couple just to have less contracts. Yeah, I'm gonna sell two just so we could kind of survive if it pulls back more. Nice. Come on. So one more. All right, we survived. Break even stop on the last. No RB. I had computer issues this morning. Computer issues, and then I got the computer on, but the problem is, look how many accounts I have with Apex that I have to decide what I want to do. This account, 2 more flip days, I could take out 2147. If I win on the ORB, then I could take out almost 2750. So I have like a dilemma. Do I just take the money? If I just flip, like I have every criteria already met except 8 days. So I'm on 6 days on these accounts, except this one. This account needs a $50 day still. And then we got, and that totals for $19,000. That will be on Thursday. But if I would have won on the ORB, it would have been 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 accounts, 500. So it would be like 22,000. I don't think it's worth it, to be honest. That was a nice pop there. Have 43 points. God damn. Wow. Gotta take that. That's a lot. Oh, no, it's not. What am I? Why did it say 40? That's 45 points? My math is just terrible. It's right. It's a break-even trade. Worst case. Even though I think now the 20 could hold. Because now we popped through it. It's on the way down. It could definitely hold. Yeah, I'm thinking, because last time I had payouts pending, or like I knew like all I had to do is flip. I traded the ORB like crap. You hesitate. I'm going to take the payouts, and then in another 8 days, we could, get another set of payouts. So it's like extra $2,000-$3,000. If I lose on the ORB 2 days in a row or 3 days in a row, that payout is gone. And I have been on the 14-day winning streak. I don't think the loss is far away. So I think on the $50 No, on the $50 day one, I need to just do one contract on ORB. Because the $50 day one is the funniest one because that one is already at max payout. So making this $50 doesn't get me a bigger payout. But like on these, if I just make a little bit more, $100 more, $200 more, I get to take that out. Maybe I should just do ORB in one contract. I don't know. But again, it's only $2,000. In the grand scheme of things, it's nothing. And the risk is huge. I got stopped out there. And the risk is huge, so I'm thinking just protect the profit. I think that's the way. I just wish TPT would work. If you guys watch the opening stream, right? If you watch the stream at the open, I'm on this tab. You could always take a look on these tabs. These are like the other prop firms. This was TPT, or actually this was Lucid today. I think this was Lucid before I switched over. And there was a lot of lag, but Lucid with copy trading has been fine. I don't know. Now I question it. Okay, got 3 contracts long here. Damn, weak. Ooh, so weak. But look at this bounce yesterday, guys. That is absolute insanity. The fact that we were not here is crazy. Bad luck. Like, I should have quit everything I was doing at home and just sat on the desk and make some money, because that was the move to make money on. But I was so busy with my parents were at my house. I probably would have, but since my parents were here helping out, so kind of would have been rude. Joshua, yes, got it. Damn, we're gonna blow this one. This one is not gonna survive that big move. Too much size. I've been trading Lucid with Apex and it's been fine. I wonder if you copy trade to it is fine. Gotta test it. I haven't had any issues with Lucid at the open. But I have not traded Lucid directly. I've always copy traded Lucid. What a dump. Holy fuck. What a dump. Oh my goodness. I don't do well on trending days. Come on. Uh, 3668. Resetting it. I don't care how much it takes. I might just reset a funded pro account. Because these evals are getting expensive. But I would have to blow like 15 evals Well, that's unfortunate. Very unfortunate that the market's just dumping like that. All right, this one is $3,000 away. So this one we could pass today, but we need a good trade. That's what sucks about TPT. You can't pass it in one day. I feel like if I would just catch that one big trade, it would be much easier than trying to do it like over multiple days. Do I like to wait 30 seconds? No. I don't like to wait at all. I like first 5 seconds maybe. It's not a time-based ORB. Sometimes I take it in the first 5 seconds. Sometimes I take it after 30 seconds, but it has nothing to do with time. It has to do with the price action. But the more you watch the open, the more you try it, you're going to develop something for yourself. I think that's how it comes to it. Make sure you guys hit that like button, though. We will be doing a TPT giveaway. We're going to give away 2 accounts today. We could give away a hat as well. I got to ship the hats. I have to ship 3 hats. So this 120 level, is it holding? It is volatile as shit. So I'm gonna do 2 contracts. Oh, 80 was, oh my God. See, if I don't have the levels drawn, I don't see the levels. Wow, what an 80 bounce. Are you kidding me? Wow, that is beauty. That is the bounce I want to catch one day. Like an instant, like not even, there's no hesitation, just go straight up. That's the trade I want to catch, and I haven't been able to do that lately. But that was my fault. I did not see that. See, I didn't have the level drawn, and if I don't have it on my chart, I'm so used to seeing the yellow line that I don't pay attention to this scale. Right. We might just make like $1,000 on this, hopefully. Yeah, hesitating. I got it in way late. I got it on 44, so gotta protect. Gotta protect the gains. I'm gonna take that off and then try another one. What a bounce of the 80. Fuck. What a bounce. Anyone get that? That's how you pass TPT evals. This is the volatility we need, but you gotta catch it at the right time. Wow. Love it. Love it. That is a 140 point straight bounce. Getting some volatility. We are getting some volatility, guys. I'll do 15 points here if I can. It's not gonna give me 15 points from bouncing 150. Come on. Well, the setup is relevant to you, your strategy. For me, 80-20 levels just give me a setup, kind of momentum setups and reversals. All right, that worked. That was like a regular funded trade. That was a funded account trade on a sim or on eval, not sim. Would have been much better, but only went for 15 points. I don't know if holding is better or scalping anymore. Let's go, Sean. Nicely done. Nicely done. Then I really am gonna pay attention to Lucid at the open. Why there's so much lag? I have a feeling if I'm not trading with Apex, if I get pushed live or whatnot, I might have to switch over to NinjaTrader. I might have no choice. Which is gonna suck, but I'm gonna need the TRADEIFY connection. I don't think I will be able to trade the rhythmic connection. What's the best bang for buck on TPT? I guess the 50Ks. But right now it's the 150Ks because you could reset them for $100. So if you blow a 150K account, you reset it for $100. But that's gonna change on Saturday. So I'm trying to be very aggressive and try to pass as many as I can before Friday. Because you could technically pass the eval in 2 days. You just got to flip for 3. So being very aggressive. But passing the 150Ks is so difficult. Passing the 50Ks is much easier. The new Apex accounts are for 30 days active or 30 trading days? Good question, Daniel. Don't know the answer to that. I would say it's 30 calendar days, like a month. So 20 trading days, but that's if I had to guess on how the billing works. It's really stupid that they did that, to be honest. Why didn't they just make a one-time fee so there's no recurring fee? If you blow the eval, it's done. It doesn't reset. That's what they should have done. Sometimes I just don't know why they make decisions that they do without like asking for opinion, maybe, or I don't know. I mean, Apex knows that 99.9% of people will not last 30 days with an eval. I mean, I don't know a single trader that has traded an eval for more than a month. I really personally don't. I've never heard of it. I've never seen it. But I'm sure there is 1.1% out there that do it. Like a brand new trader, for example. But most likely a brand new trader is not going to keep it that long either. They're going to blow it. A good trader is going to pass it before that. So it's like, I don't know. I understand why they did it because statistically no one keeps the evals that long, but why put the bad press out? Like, you know, so you're always going to find someone that's going to complain about it. All they had to do is just one-time fee, no rebills. If you fail the eval, you got to buy a new one. And then have the 7-day activation after you pass the eval, you have 7 days to activate it. I like that because then people used to like keep 20 evals on top of their 20 PAs. So if they blew their 20 PAs, they would just activate 20 new evals. Well, I traded stocks before futures, so for me, the payouts came out fast. But I did start futures, like I attempted futures back in 2021. Then I attempted again in 2021. I was 1 day away from payout on Lulu trading, but back then, trading evals was absolutely bad. Like it was like 30 days traded to get a payout. Evals were like 10 days, so it was like impossible. And then 2022, in the fall of 2022, I found this algo that we shall not name that got me kind of back interested in futures. So I did that. I bought that. I even funded my own account with $5,000. Lost that. I was trading stocks already at the time, right? So I was making some money trading. And 2023 is really when I started trading. I did get one payout in 2022 though from that algo. There's only one payout on Tick Tick. That was my first ever payout. And then 2023 in April is when I started really trading with prop firms. I decided to like, all right, let's take this serious. Prop firms were becoming a little bit easier. Tick Tick became with like, they came out with a direct account, faster payouts, whatnot. So I started in April, and my first payouts came in May, and I have not missed the payout since then. So from May 2023, I have not missed a payout. So that's 37 months in a row with the payout. Is it plugin? No, it's right here. How do you not see that? Update QUANTOWER maybe. But that's pretty old already. Unless that's on beta. What version am I on? I am on. This is the version I'm on. There's like a bunch of new versions. See what's new. Nothing new for nothing new for me. Tom, good morning. Okay, let's see. I had computer issues this morning, so fortunately we did not capture the opening range trade. So I would say it's going crappy, but it's fine. Get over it. Trying to pass some TPT evals. That's the focus this week. That is the focus this week. All right. That was easy. Me like I don't know. Next gen isn't. Never heard of them. Too many prop firms. I have. You know what the thing is? Yeah, ATR's at 62. Jesus. I have prop firms emailing me all the time to sponsor. Like I had, obviously, Funded Next. I had, Funded Seat. I had Savius, I think it's called, or something like that. They want to work with me. Once I'm done with Apex, as far as, if I get moved to live, but maybe I'll open up. I'm not under contract with Apex for exclusivity or anything like that. So I'm not exclusive with any prop firm or have any contracts outside of the generic, affiliate contracts that you sign when you get a code. But I just don't want to promote new prop firms like that. Feel guilty. But at the same time, I could just say, listen, I'm getting paid by them. Okay? And I'm going to use them. Do your own research. Don't trade them because I trade them. Plus, I need more prop firms, right? I need as many prop firms as possible to make as much money as possible because we are limited to how much we can make per prop firm now. It's the dream of making a lot of money is gone. You have to just make a lot of money with a lot of prop firms. That's what's going to be 50,000 here, 50,000 there, 50,000 there. But making millions is going to be tough. After 6 payout, does Apex ban you? I don't know on the new accounts. For me, on the 6 payout, I just take everything out. I have a 6 payout right now on one of my accounts, and I'm pending, but I requested the full balance because on the old accounts, I have the old accounts. I don't have any of the new Apex accounts. I don't have any of the new Apex accounts, and I don't think I will be able to get them. I mean, maybe, but I doubt it. But if you could get to 6 payouts on Apex, that would be amazing. It's very hard to do. But unless you're brand new to trading, I don't know if they're gonna let you. Based on what I've been seeing, they don't let you get to 6 payouts on the new accounts. Make sure you guys hit that like button. We will be giving away TPT accounts. 2 more TPT accounts going out today. Two more TPT accounts going out today. Anyone having issues with Rhythmic today? On what prop firm? I saw issues with Lucid early in the morning. Apex, I did not trade with Apex, so I don't know. Have not looked. Looked okay at the open and looks okay. I have not executed on it, so I don't know. Why? What kind of issues you're having? Oh, no idea. Getting a little range here. The volatility is definitely not helping with Rhythmic today. But yeah, I see myself switching over to NinjaTrader. I might start playing with it soon just to get used to it again. See if I could do the opening range. I could do the opening range trade with NinjaTrader by using a plugin. I know that. I just need to can someone confirm that there is a refresh rate upgrade for NinjaTrader? Meaning the charts print faster. Like, see how this price is moving so fast? On NinjaTrader, it does not do that. On NinjaTrader, the lag, it's not a lag, it's refresh rate, it's slower. So the price refreshes a little bit slower. Like on the level 2 and stuff, it's going to be the same, but the bid and ask is going to be the same, but the way the chart looks is going to be different. And for the opening range trade, I just can't have that. But someone told me there is a plugin for NinjaTrader that you get to kind of get faster refresh rate. Desktop or web? Desktop. Web is TRADEIFY. TRADEIFY, there's no issues. TRADEIFY charts are beautiful. Like QUANTOWER and TRADEIFY charts are very fast. Tyler. What a day. I think I saw your text. I wasn't. My phone is blowing up right now. After 6 payout, Apex will put you to live. Yeah, I mean, they need to have that. They need to have the live account like set up because it's the one prop firm that's like lacking that. Every prop firm has a live program. That's not gonna work, Tom. Apex is not gonna let that happen. I don't know. Apex is very good at patching tricks nowadays. Back in the day, yes, that would have worked, but they're gonna get pushed to live as soon as Apex sees that. But there's no like confirmation of how the live account's gonna work. So hopefully we have some kind of insight, and hopefully some people actually get the live accounts and get that over with. Because I don't know, Apex just has been making poor decisions lately. I wish they would ask us for opinion. I feel like we know. I feel like we know a lot about the general like prop firm space and how things work and how things are taken. Prop firms know more about the the edge and the execution of how traders trade, and they know better what is dangerous, what's not. But there's some things I just wonder. The levels are playing out. Look at that. 80 to 220 to 120. Even 180 here would have worked for 15 points. Maybe this 220. This 220 might be dangerous though. Yes, prop firms are definitely more difficult and less potential now with prop firms. There's no, you don't have to say that's your opinion. That's the reality. I think Apex is just protecting the big money they made early, possibly, and I feel that very strongly about Top Step. I feel like Patak is so rich that he wants to kind of just. My opinion is this, and it's just my opinion. It's probably not true. Just if I was in his shoes, how do you get out of this business without closing down the prop firm? Right? You just make some changes. You go to the broker side, you get a brokerage, and you push everyone to broker side. And then once you have a broker, that's a lot easier to run than a prop firm. And you kind of just slowly fade away from the prop firm and go into the broker side, and then you just live a good life. Because they've had to make so much money. If Topstep was paying out $100-something million a month, just imagine how much revenue they're getting. So Topstep been open for like 15 years. Obviously, the first 10 years doesn't even count. But like last 3 years, Topstep has to make insane profits, like insane. I'm not saying they're going anywhere right now. I'm saying this is like the plan to exit the prop firm space. All right, we're getting ran over here. Wow. Wow. Well, this account's going to get cooked. Fuck me. We are cooked, chat. We are cooked. So why does this not work? I always wonder. Always got to wonder why this trade does not work when the last 4 times the levels held, right? So is it because we've made higher lows 3 times in a row? Like why did this 220 not hold at all? I always wonder that. And then we're going to miss 280s and that's lame. There's nothing in this world that can cause Enki to pull back even pennies. What do you mean? Like no one person can do that? I mean, the amount of capital required to move NQ is I don't know what the number is, but it's gotta be. Oh, apparently. Oh, never mind. I read that wrong. West Coast. Oh, Dustin. Yeah, Dustin means he's short. Hey, pulled back a lot yesterday, but did recover. Damn, this sucks. This absolutely sucks. Oh, da, da, da. Would have been fine if we got filled at 280, but we didn't, so now we're just stuck. Mm, 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 mm. Should just cover the 220s though. Maybe flip long even. Um, I have 5 spots open for evals. Do you have TPT? This week is for TPT. This is the week to get funded with TPT. Volatile and cheapest price ever. I've just realized though this week that I will never be able to make a lot of money with TPT in one day. So I just got to give that idea away. I always dream about making like 10 grand in one day on TPT. That's never going to happen. That will never, ever happen. Just got to be realistic. I can't even do that on evals. I'm trading like total shit this week on TPT. Doesn't matter if I size up, it's gonna be the wrong trade every single time. It never works. It never works. When I size up, it's always the wrong trade. 4 top step and 1 MFU. 2 TPT. Oh yeah, I definitely if you have 2 TPTs, you gotta get to 5. That's when the game starts to multiply way more than having 5 extra Apex PAs. Like 3 TPTs over 5 Apex PAs all day. Like all day. Way better. But there's nothing better than TPT, so it's like. But it's tough. I just want 5 TPT accounts so I could take out $300-$400 a day from each. And it'll be fine. TPT is to me what Lucid is to you. I have I'm not logged into Lucid, but I am logged into Lucid. Where's my account? It wasn't showing. I have one Lucid account up $600. I made $600 on Lucid yesterday on the long. I'm thinking about just going straight to funded with Lucid at this point. I'm just doing ORB on it, but small size. I always get it straight to funded and I go big size like a dummy. But making 9K before you got to get a payout is also criminal. That's also criminal. So I don't know. I'm going to take that off because this is obviously going to bounce up 220, right? That's the strategy. It's going to bounce here and it's going to go right there. So I'm going to cover one just to have less risk. Like straight to funded, you got to make $9,000 to get a $3,000 payout. Like that's still doing basically an eval. But then on the funded, it's the same thing. I don't know. Am I correct? Is on the funded the same? Is there a 1 minute rule on Lucid? No. Only Alpha has like a 2 minute rule if you don't do certain amount of ticks. Everything else is like maybe up to 10 seconds. Like there should be a buffer, and then after the buffer you get to get a payout. That's how it should be. Like I don't understand where this $9,000 came from. Why do I have to make $9,000 to get a $3,000 payout? And then you're gonna take 10 or 20% out of it? Like what? What are we doing? See, you knew it was gonna bounce up 220. The strategy works. Gotta trust it. All right, I'm in on 2 accounts now. Dun, 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 dun. This account we're gonna take 15 points, and this one we'll see. Damn, I love longs and I'm about to get cooked long. That's crazy. This shit's about to explode. Needs to pull back 15 points before it goes higher. Come on, a little bit more. Okay, I'm out of the other one. So we're good here. Making some progress. Take one more off. Cause this one is like, we're like close to passing. $2,000 away. I gotta protect. Come on, a little bit more. You fucking piece of shit. Like, you can't just dump. Now it's gonna dump. Now it's gonna dump. I'm just gonna take it off because I am $2,000 away from passing, so might as well protect. Oh yeah. Getting closer. Because longs suck? No. I love longs. Oh man, 280 top tick. Can't pass this. I still could make 1,300, but I can't pass it. Of course, now it goes down. And then bounces like that easily of 280. I mean, 220. Was not expecting that. Was not expecting that. Oh, man. Should have expected it. Well, I don't want to get like a hedging violation, even though it didn't hedge, but. Mm. Da, da. Damn, Clyde, that sucks. How does it happen where it hedges by itself? That's why I don't copy them. Don't want that. But people that are having issues with that, there's gotta be a common ground. Oh, okay, you did it yourself. Okay, not the copy trader. I don't know why it's not going higher, so we're gonna take that. I'm gonna take that off and rebuy down here if anything. I should just place the orders out and then just wait. Getting closer. Got 3 evals here within $3,000 of passing, not even. And I have one more $6,000 away. And then we blew one, so. Damn, now it goes. It always goes after I get out. It's kind of sad. Oh yeah, it's like a after hours check, Clyde. It's not it's not like a instant thing. It's an after hours thing. Good morning, Trader NQ. Market's so strong now, guys. $280 rejected again. Look at that 220, 280 level. Jesus. And tell me it doesn't work. Like this range is between 280 and 220. The low of the day is 80. So I wonder what this is gonna be. So this is how TPT is gonna. This is how TPT is gonna like tell you if you're going to Pro Plus or not. It's gonna be pretty cool. Oh wow, this is pretty badass. That's gonna be sick. Bella, good morning. Oh man, I posted on Twitter about the ORB and stuff, and some idiots, man. I swear to God. Well, it's really like two people, but West Coast, have a great coffee time. Coffee break. I would love to get these evals close to passing. That's my goal for today. On this account, we just need $1,000 more, and that's all we can make today. But yeah, hit that like button, guys. We will be doing a giveaway. Wow, it's already 11 o'clock. Today is flying. Might be a little longer stream. PGA Championship this week. I really hope Bryson does better. My goodness, poor guy. Not a fan of this entry if I take this short. I think 320 is a better chance. Yeah, I think it wants to blast through this. But I got 2 contracts to stop it from doing that. We put a brick wall at 280. If all of you guys short at 280 on your sim accounts, we could stop it. I believe. I believe we could go higher. But if we all just short, it's got no chance. I'd see if it breaks out. Yes, it's breaking out. The A theme song is stuck in my head. Damn, what a good show that was. Oh, goodness gracious. We are getting squeezed. Just in case it doesn't get there. Do you guys think traders actually move NQ? I don't think traders move NQ. I don't know why, but since NQ is an index, technically follows the stocks. No? I feel like NQ is all algos and hedge funds and market makers, and the traders have no effect on the market. I don't know. I agree with Tyler. There's no chance on this planet that retail moves it at all. But sim traders definitely do. Us sim traders, look at that. The reason why it's going down is because I shorted 3 contracts, created a wall, and cover one just to protect a little bit. Am I correct 90% of the time? If you hold it long enough, you will be correct. The question is, can your account hold long enough? Come on, go lower. Where in Jersey am I? I'm by Wayne. I'm near 23 and 80 intersection. And 46. Well, I'm getting squeezed. Damn it. This is gonna suck. I was like $1,000 away from passing this eval. Why? Why we gotta get it wrong when it really matters? So frustrating. When it really matters, when it's like right there, that's when it fucking sucks. Oh man, that's gonna hurt. Ah, look at it. Fucking squeeze. Crazy. I gotta go 15 contracts and at the right time and we'll be fine, but need to time it perfectly. Nope. Oh, I'm done. I give up. Need to pull back now. No pullback. No. No account. I mean, it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight candles green. At 380, I can't last out. Can't survive that long. Need to pull back right now. Is this pullback will let us survive more? Thankfully, timed it perfectly. Basically, shorted at the very end of the candle, time-wise. Hoping that the next candle will be red, and it was, thankfully. I'm just gonna have it follow 10 points. gonna be a break-even trade though. If I get stopped out, it's gonna be a break-even trade. Maybe make like 100, 200 bucks. So you can see the stop is following. Got stopped. Ah, fuck this shit. Yeah, I didn't make any money. I don't think. Maybe 100 bucks. And this is gonna just tank now. I'm gonna just cry, but yep, there she goes. You gotta be kidding me. Why is the last couple $100 so difficult? Make sure you guys hit that like button. Come on. We're gonna give away 2 accounts today, maybe 3. If we pass some evals, we'll do 3. One winner per day. Well, we'll see, Dustin. You could win today. We're going to do a race. Hopefully the website's fixed. Hopefully the website is fixed. No, why? Oh, yeah, it is. Yes. Oh, it's going to be sick. Oh, it's going to be so fun. Maybe. But we won't be, we gotta be able to see. Oh wait, there's no names. How are we gonna know? Oh, there we go. We're gonna need to know, like, I gotta see the names and stuff. So we're gonna pick like 10 people, and then out of the 10. So we'll do like 3 races. We'll pick 10 people, do a race. We'll do 10 more people, do a race, and 10 more people do a race. And what a dump. Now it's dumping. Unbelievable. Am I looking too long? 20? I'm looking too long 280, if anything. Market's so strong right now. But like yesterday, it turned around so fast. It goes from being weak to strong and from strong to weak. It's very trendy. Oh, Tyler, did you see me full port this account? I don't know if you saw it. Literally 15 contracts right here. And I still didn't make the goal. I still just got out break even. Unbelievable. I still can't pass it, but it could be close. Dude is banking. Who's banking? Me? Yeah, I could be at 50 grand on Thursday. I could be at 50 grand on the month. This could be my second best month ever. Which I don't even know what it is. I think my second best month it's very far away from yeah, 56,000 is my second best month ever. So I think as long as I get approved and all, I could beat my second best month this month for sure. If I could get TPT to payouts this month, I got 4,000 from TPT. Why am I not put? I am locking in. That's why I didn't trade much today. Kind of talked about it earlier on stream. So I went through my accounts yesterday on Apex, and these are like the PA numbers. So if I do 2 more flip days on this account, I get 2147. If I do 1 more flip day on this one, that means today I could request, because this is yesterday. So if I flip it today I could request 2750. 2 more flip days, I could request 2174. 2 more flips, 2147. This one needs 1 more $50 day plus 2 more flip days, and I could request 2750. This one, 2 more flip days, 2159. 2 more flip days, 2139. 1 more flip day, which is today, 2750. And that will give me a $19,000 in payouts for this group of accounts. I could push it and make extra. How much is this? Um, 2750 minus 2147. $600 times 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So extra $3,000 I can make if I actually traded these accounts. Is it worth it? Probably not, right? $3,000. If I lose on the ORB 2 times, 3 times, then I lose the whole payout. It's not worth making $3,000 and risking 19, if you ask me. Curious that ROI. It's impossible to say. ROI would be, it's insane on obviously this month. So you can't look at it that way because it depends what I spent on the accounts. But and it's also unrealistic ROI on these accounts because I've had them for so long, you know? So it's like if I tell you the ROI on this, it's not going to be the accurate ROI overall because my ROI, is always around 25% on the year. 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 25% on the So it's gonna balance out. And I have a lot of monthly accounts. I pay $85 a month for these, right? So not all of them, but let's say 12 of them. That's only 12. That's only $1,000 a month. Oh, that's not bad. Well, so I could tell you that ROI is, well, it depends how you look at it. Is it these accounts? Is it all the accounts I bought? Is it all the TPT? It all depends. I've had these accounts since January and February. Okay. I've had these accounts for a very long time. So the ROI is not really accurate. That's what I'm trying to say. It's better than it actually is. Because at the end of the year is what ROI matters. And I bought some TradeEvade accounts, not TradeEvade, TradeEfy accounts last month or this month. No, last month in April. And I spent like almost $1,000. It was like 875 or something like that. I didn't get a single payout from TradeEfy. With TPT, I don't know how much I spent. I did the math. I did the math on last month was also insane. It was like I spent like $3,000 to make 48,000. Again, all this is gonna catch up on some bad months. That's what it comes down to. When you don't trade well, have I ever gotten? Oh yeah. I got like maybe 30,000. Let me see. I don't even know. At this point, I don't remember. Let's say Lucid. Lucid, I don't have as many, but I'm waiting. Basically, what's gonna happen? Like with Lucid, with TradeEfy, you can't take out that many payouts. With Lucid, I took out 2, 4, 6, 7, 9, 10, 10 and a half, 12, 14. That's 14,000 from Lucid. But I'm just being patient with Lucid because once I go to like, live with Apex, whatnot, I need prop firms to offset the loss. I would hate to be, let's say, maxed out with every prop firm at the same time, and then you're screwed. And then TradeEfy payouts, make sure there's no like credentials or anything. TradeEfy payouts, I have 3, 6, 9, 7, that's 16, 18 and a half, 20, 22, 27,000. So I took out like 40,000 between TradeEfy and Lucid, but I don't trade much with them. I will. We don't know how Apex Live works yet. Would the ORB trade have worked today? Yes, it was straight down price action. Lucid is great, yeah. I'm just cursed with Lucid, but it's because I rushed the process. I have one Lucid account right now, and I failed one yesterday. 20 minutes. 20 minutes. I failed one 16 ticks away from passing. I was just reading this. Apex 90% off. Apex is 90% off. But damn, now Now there's like now there's like prediction market space reaching out to me. Pretty wild. Funded trader markets. Who's this? I have so many like so many affiliate options. These prop firms just jump on every affiliate now. And we missed the 29 280 bounce. I'm gonna jump in now. Yep, it's 90% off it with Apex. But it's really like 90% off is more like 80 from back in the day, right? But yep, 90% off from Apex. Come on, a little bit more. This would have been perfect. 20 points, that's all we needed. All we needed was 20 points, but got in late. I missed the longs at 80. I mean, I don't need to be that exact, but it would be nice to I should be at 4,500, but there's commissions. Never mind. There's commissions. Forgot I full ported 15 contracts. Wow. FU market. Swear to God. Wow. What a unfortunate miss. I'm watching the PNL trying to make sure I don't get past 4,500. I think right there will be at 4,500. Nope. It's all right. 4,455. That is pretty much half. Very happy with that. And $500 away from passing. Oh, so good. So good. Why is it a TPT if I just have to push myself to get 50%? Mentally, it's just, that's what I just did. But the reason why I'm doing that is I'm trying to pass as many as possible by Friday, because that's when the $100 resets end. They end on Saturday. So like if by Friday end, if I fail, I'm gonna reset whatever I failed. But I would like to pass 5 accounts by then, by Friday. Or at least be close to passing, you know? Yes, Apex is 90% off. I'm trying to find a space to put it. All right, I got my finance documents for my Bobcat. Alpine's buying a Bobcat while all the traders are buying Rolexes. Alpine's buying a skid steer. I don't know, 7% interest rate. I don't know. Should I just buy it cash? I don't know. Sorry, guys. Busy here trying to figure out my skid steer finances. This is what I'm getting. I don't know if to be excited or feel sad that I'm getting old. Maybe I'm just getting old. I think that's what it is. Am I gonna build a green in my backyard? No. I would not. I would not use the green. It will get boring. But yes, big golf sim, full golf sim is being built. Once my garage is done. So for this winter, I'm gonna have a full size golf sim with driver and everything. Am I in my 30s? Yes. Late 30s. Looks small enough. No, it's gas powered. Gasoline engine, not diesel. That's why they have a gas powered engine, so there's no def needed or no emission thing. It's not. It's meant for like home use. I look good for my late 30s. Thank you. Well, Nutty's older than me, and he looks young too. Damn, what a bounce of 280s. Wish I took it on this other account so we could have. This one I could actually pass today. This one I could actually pass. We need 2,800. I'm 26, and sometimes I feel like a what? Uncle? Let's see what this guy wants from Chase Bank. I don't like when banks call me because like sometimes they call you just because they want to work with you because you have money in your bank account. Like when the bank calls me, I want to make sure I'm not getting like fraud or anything, you know? Mm. Wow, what a squeeze. Damn, this 280 was a beauty. Tyler, where are we shorting this? 420? Hello, I'm Mike from Microsoft support team. Calling from India. Microsoft has moved to India. Bangladesh. This is not a scam. Can you click on my computer on your computer? Have you guys seen that video? Doo-doo-doo-doo. Bum, 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 bum. Must be nice, Tyler, if you can't make more today. Must be nice. Mm. What happens at the 80 and 20 that the market shows reaction to those levels? That question is beyond my spectrum. It's outside of my practice, sir. I don't ask questions. But it sure works. Oh, I just said that to Apex, actually. I'm going to take a picture of that. It's 69 to activate the intraday, but the end of day is where they get you. Damn, we didn't. Wait, what? How did I miss this 380? What is wrong with me, guys? I am telling you guys, I need someone to have this. Like, I, I, I have no idea how on earth I can't see the levels without the yellow lines. I am like blind. If I don't have a yellow line, I don't see the level. Like this was a 380 level that I completely missed. I was looking at 420. Somehow, somewhere, missed the 380. It is absolute nightmare for me. Pine Tree, how you doing, bro? Congrats on your 6-figure year so far. Let's get it to 200K. I just crossed 6 figures as well for the month. I mean, for the month, for the year. Last month. I'm using legacy accounts. Yes, I've had them for a long time. One of these accounts is gonna disappear as soon as I get approved for a payout because I requested a full payout of $8,300. Pine Tree. I'm still trading my legacy accounts, and the one account got to 6 payouts, and I'm closing it. I don't have. I just don't have the mental capacity yet to trade accounts that are at payouts. And you know, 6 payout, what does that mean? I could just keep growing the account another 5,000 and request it, but I just don't have the mental ability to trade freely when I know there's so much at risk. I need to get over that fear, but right now it's not the time because I did that in September and I got absolutely destroyed. What happens when I reach 6 payout on the legacy accounts, there's no cap. So like I have all 150K accounts, right? So I could request up to 2750 every payout. But after 6 payout or at 6 payout, there's no more buffer. I could request into the buffer and I could what's it called? And I could request any amount. So it's basically like a TPT account. Like I could make 5 grand and request. But obviously you have to trade for 8 days and stuff, but I guess it's not the same. On legacy accounts, new accounts were completely different. That's why I have 15 Apex accounts. I have not added the new ones because I don't want to um, be at risk of that. So once I get all these accounts, hopefully to max payout, and I request it, I'll probably be live with Apex, or I gotta start new accounts and then get moved. Mm-mm. Wow, it's 12 o'clock already, but I'm not done. I'm gonna I'm gonna try trading till at least 1 o'clock today, and we still gotta do giveaways. So, but I'm just getting a little hungry. Look at that 380 short. My goodness, how did I miss it? I am gonna buy the 280s, but I don't feel confident with that. But I'm not gonna. It's a 100-point drop. It should bounce. Can't you set alerts? Well, it's not that. I just didn't draw my line. If I have a line drawn, I don't miss it. It's when I don't have a line, and I don't know why I didn't have a line there. So I was waiting for 420. Like completely missed 380. Because like you're little, I'm distracted a little bit with the chat, and I'm distracted with the stuff I'm doing on my phone. So like, I don't like to be just fully locked in either, though, because then you're like pressing buttons for no reason. Someone needs to build an indicator. There's already indicators out there. We tried with the AI thing, but it's too complicated for my brain. Fortunately. Stop goofing off. I'm doing work. I'm buying a machine. I'm doing my finance portion for this. Look at this sweet thing. Alpine's gonna be riding in style. Could do my mulch. Spread some topsoil. Snow blower. Fortunately, we got a um big bounce without us. All right, guys. I am going to. I need to eat before I get too hungry. I also don't want to rush. I'm gonna start the giveaway because the giveaway is gonna take a while because we're gonna do 3 races today. Uh, I'll be right back. Not sure if I'm gonna short this 80 though. I'm cold. I'm gonna get my space heater. I don't know why. It's not that cold outside. I don't have my heat on the house. 67 degrees outside and I'm cold. Do I short this? Yes. Oh, try it. We are gonna try. So we're gonna do a giveaway for 3 TPT evals if I pass one. If I don't pass one, we're gonna do giveaway 2. Well, I gotta check how many I have to give away still. We have to give all of them away this week. And there was a couple of you guys that won. And your emails, every time you email me, you gotta give me your TPT email. I'm not gonna be chasing you guys. Especially if I don't know who it is. If it's some random person winning, I'm not gonna go out of my way to all right, we have. Oh, he gave away the other ones. He gave away the. I'm gonna start a 50k eval myself. The ones he gave away. Uh-oh, going against us here. Not good. What if you don't have a TPT account? You gotta sign up. Or you just don't participate in the giveaway. It's not that big of a deal, I guess. Make sure you guys hit the like button before you participate in the giveaway. such a strong market, and I just I'm just shorting like a dummy. I think 420 short will be fine. This 380 short might not be though. Well, we'll find out. This is the one eval I could actually pass today. But yeah, we'll give away 3 TPT accounts. Let's say if you don't have TPT, I'll give you Apex. I still have a couple Apex codes. Oh, let me just sign this document thing. I guess I'll just finance the thing and then come on, market, just pull back like 20 points. I'm not even asking for a lot. Come on, man. Why do I have to be on the wrong side when it freaking matters? Unbelievable. Fuck. The easy account is gonna be the one that's gonna get hurt. The one that was pretty much closest to passing. Oh, this is so sad. I might just reset a TPT account at this point. Why do I get caught in this squeeze? Why can I get caught in the other accounts? Where's the one that matters? No, shorts suck. I hate shorting. I fucking hate shorting. I say this every damn time. Why am I shorting this, man? Just focus on longs. It's so much easier to trade when you just long. Well, there goes this account. Just 4 contracts. Look how fast you lose. But when you try to win that much, you just fucking can't. Always goes against you. Yeah, Alpha, good point there. Oh well. We're just gonna do a giveaway and I'm gonna call it a day once I blow this one. I just can't pass these damn evals. I don't know what to do. I keep trying, but I just can't do it. Keep rushing the process. Please dump. I have not had 5 TPT funded accounts in probably close to a year. Maybe I don't even know if I've ever had 5 TPT fundeds at the same time. A joke. I mean, it's great. Fucking great. If I was long, like I'm supposed to be, it would be great. But since I'm on the wrong side, I hate this market. Tried to buy 280, fucking wouldn't go. So here we are, about to blow it. $3,000 away from passing, and we fucking blow it. And now I don't feel like doing the giveaway, so we're just gonna do one big race, and that's it. I don't feel like doing 3 races and all that. I just ruined my mood. Oh, this stupid market, man. Hey, maybe I should go buy trade day accounts and hedge. Maybe that's the only option I have at the moment. Because Jesus Christ. Just kidding. We can't do that. But kind of want to. I'm doing terrible today. I'm so mad. Easy longs and I fucking go short like a dumbass. Like a dumbass every time. If this works, I'm gonna give away 4 accounts. All right, fam. If this works, we're gonna give away 4 accounts. If this trade doesn't stop me out. Oh my god, phone, just scan this QR. I'm just getting so frustrated right now. I need to walk away. I'm getting mad because my phone won't scan a QR code. Like I'm clicking on it and it fucking does nothing. All right, the Bears said, F this. We're out. All right, let's do this giveaway, guys. I am fucking tired of today. I was so excited for today, and now I am absolutely burnt out. Because this is the one account. Of all 5 accounts that I have with TPT, this was the only one that could pass today. And what did I do? I get into this stupid trade. Of all trades, missed this long. Like, why? Why am I missing the easy trades and getting into this? One time that the levels don't work, 2 times in a row. The levels worked every single time, especially to the long side, but even to the short side. They worked here. They worked here. But they did work there, so I am stupid for re-entering on the second attempt. Don't do that, Alpine. Learn. First attempt is the best attempt. Second one, don't touch it. Especially when it's a higher low. But I guess we will make that as a note for next time. All right, giveaway time. 173 entries. Giveaway is now closed. I'm about to add 15 contracts like I did on the other one and just hope for the best. Yeah, it's the worst when you do that. All right, guys, I'm doing the giveaway. Giveaway's closed, guys. You can't enter anymore. I've already taken the names. Cleaned them up with ChatGPT. And then we're gonna see what comes out of it. Gonna be a new type of race. I was gonna do multiple races, but oh well. It would have been more fun to do multiple races, but top 3 places will get the giveaway on this race. We'll figure out tomorrow. Alrighty, let me get the audio going. Make sure we got audio. Oh yeah, we're going horse racing today.
Hello, chat. From one racetrack to the next, we are racing some horses. Good luck. Top 3 places. Hopefully you guys train your horses. This is the real horsepower. Off they go. Oh yeah, look at these graphics. HD quality. All right, here they go. 175 horses or something like that. That's a lot of horses. Hopefully none of them poop. All right. Off they go. 2-minute race. Off the deep. Oh my goodness. He is off to the races. Easy trading. Whoa, slow down, buddy. You're gonna run out of energy. There's no boost on this one. Green tablet. Horse number 87. Oh, techniques with horse 65 in the lead. Catastrophe also in the lead right now. Taking over the lead is Catastrophe, but he fell apart. Cly. Oh, yeah. This is interesting. Look at Dustin go. Dustin wants more accounts. Elmy. Oh, Elmy. Elmy was a recent winner. Andy in the lead, but so is Slayer. Slayer 97. Oh, they have the boost. Oh, look at that. They hit the boost button. I think they just spanked the horse. That's how you get the boost. The harder you spank the horse, the faster the horse goes. Oh my goodness. This is pretty wild. This is pretty wild. A lot more fun than cars. Oh, Polar Soccer, man. He is racing for the lead. Quiet Storm. Chris. Milo. Who else? Top Trading Boss. Is he going to do it? Top Trading Boss. Horse 117. Can he hold on? No, he cannot. But remember, it's top 3 places. Nick Parker. Garani Trades and Flash Trader. And the last horse was Techniques. Oh man, Techniques, you were in the lead at one point. Leon. Alright, Nick, Garani, and Flash Trader, please email Alpine with your TPT email. So, in the email, send your email address. Alrighty, guys, we will be going heavy on the giveaways tomorrow and Friday because we have 20 accounts to give away. Almost 20. You know what? Let's do one more race. Let's do one more race. I'll be nice, Tim. I'll add Tim. Alright. We're gonna do a minute-long race this time. For one more account. One more account. If the same person wins, it does not matter. They get 2 accounts. Did we blow the other account yet? Oh, we're still alive. Alpine's still alive. Would you look at that? Alright. Here we go. Off they go. Oh wait, I could pause? Haha! Did not know that. Learn something new every day. Ooh, Garani Trades is going for his second eval. Mr. Lena. Sharky! A lot of white horses in the lead. Coach Fred! He is off. He's spanking that horse. Oh, Dan Future's also going in his yellow horse. Off they go. Off they go. 20 seconds. Is there a boost button? Who's got it? Catastrophe fell apart. Joe. Ninja. Off the deep. Hannah. Marco. Brian. Who is it going to be? Is it going to be Marco? Yes, it is. Marco, horse 167. All right. That is 4 evals given away. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Oh, man. Of course, 420 is going to hold now because longs are just easy. The winners, please email me ASAP so I could send one email to Take Profit Trader. You have till 1 p.m. to email me. Come on, we need to get our break even at least. It's coming down, all right, Miss K. I believe in miracles. Holding on. This market's so damn strong, it's crazy. Of course, 420 is going to hold because 80-20 works, guys. Just got to be on the right side of the trend. I'm on the wrong side. Can you pass TPT accounts in one day? No. That's what sucks about them. You would think it's better, but it's not. I'm chasing the price. I'm not really trading the way I should, but you know, it's eval, so you're trying to do fast as possible. Oh man, these bears just don't want to give up. I mean, bulls don't want to give up. Bears gave up already. Can't believe the best TPT account I'm gonna blow. This makes me want to fucking reset a TPT account. So sad. I guess we're not gonna pass many TPT accounts this week. Just can't do it. Just fucking can't do it. Maybe 50K accounts is the answer. I don't know. No, but just go long. That's the answer. Forgot. Just go long. Every day, go long. That's the answer. There we go. Found the secret sauce. I don't know why it's not blowing the account. Well, cats, it's very obvious that's going to be a squeeze, but at the same time, I'm just an idiot. Like once it's doing this type of like weak, open, and once it holds, it's doing this every day. That's the thing. The market does this every day. Looks weak, and look what happens every time. Don't short this. Why would you short that? Like, just don't do it. It's like small caps. Opposite. Opposite of small caps. Only long NQ, and you'll be so much further ahead. I had no profit on this account. I had profit on the other ones, but the one that fucking I could have passed, of course, no profit. It's so fucking annoying. The ones that I can't pass today, I made profit on, but the one I could have passed, of course, I'm going to blow. All right, can we just fucking stop wasting time and just go and blow this account already? I don't understand why it's now blowing the account. Thank you. I'll see you guys tomorrow. I'm gonna reset this account, just flip it, but do it later. I go make some food. Oh my god, I am so mad at myself. But whatever. It is what it is. There's nothing you could do when you short, like a dumbass. Nothing you could do. Just gotta laugh at yourself. Every long today would have worked. The only thing that doesn't work is shorts. Think about that. Every single long, when it touched the level, it worked. $80-20 works when you're on the right side of the move. That's it. That's all you need to know. And it's so obvious that this was not the right side of the move, but you've just refused to accept it. But that's okay. It's on an eval. I got to figure out how to avoid this on the funded stage. Once I'm on the pro account, how do I avoid this? How do I avoid this? Where it's so obvious, yet I still go for it. I got to make some hard rules for myself. No double tops when it makes a higher low. That's going to be like number one. So don't short here if it made a higher low here. So like it rejected 380, did not break down. Do not short this. Dangerous. You could see it happening every single time. 280 rejects, does not break. Second time does not work. Well, in this case, it gives you a little bit of chance, but obviously for a bigger trade, it doesn't work. I don't know why it's not blowing the account. I guess it's going to, the end of day stopped, I guess. Oh, because TPT, I'm stupid. TPT doesn't have an end of day till the account is passed. That's only Apex. I forgot that the end of day stops. Wow, I just realized what Tim was saying. TPT stops at the initial balance. It's been so long that I totally forgot that. No, I just totally forgot that TPT does not stop. Or actually does stop. Whichever way you want to look at it. Once you get above the buffer, you have the buffer plus the profit to lose. So like these accounts, I will have to lose $6,000 on it tomorrow. This one I have to lose $8,500. If I lose this one, I might as well quit. There it goes. All right, guys. I'll see you tomorrow. Oh, fuck. This is absolute trash. If you didn't email me about the giveaway, unfortunately, nothing I could do about it. So I'm emailing TPT right now with the winners if you emailed me. If you didn't email me, unfortunately, you will not get your account. We'll have to wait till tomorrow. I'll see you guys tomorrow. We're going to give away 4 or 5 accounts tomorrow. See you guys. I'm going to go eat. And then I'm going to reset this account. And I'm going to flip it at least. So that way we have 2 days. And tomorrow on Friday, we could try a pass.